So if you're ready to safeguard your WhatsApp world, then let's learn with a step-by-step guide on how to back up those precious messages and videos. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the menu icon, usually 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Next, select Settings from the menu options. It's where all the customization happens. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Chats. This is where all your chat-related options are housed. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. This is the gateway to preserving your WhatsApp world. If you want to include videos in your backup, then turn on the button of Include Videos. It's your call whether to save those precious memories. Once you've made your selections, simply tap on the Backup button to start the process. Sit back and relax as your chats are securely stored. That's it. You're all set to keep your WhatsApp world safe and sound. Happy chatting! Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.